Funny and cute Pinoy Celebrities #1 TikTok Videos Compilation 2020.
With it, crew, drop.
You'll be my American boy, American boy.
Number one champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hot
Inday,
Yes po?
pinasok mo na ba yung comforter sa kwarto?
Ay, upo kanina pa. Sinama ko na nga yung printer at saka yung scanner, ma'am.
All of the things I do.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
When I popped off and you go gave me just a little bit of love. With it, crew, drop.
RDI, passing gore, passing gore, passing gore, passing gore.
Look at me. Look at mommy. Can you say wa?
Wa.
Tur.
Tu.
Water.
La la la.
Bibili ko habang binibini, ikaw ang pinipili sa muli ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang binibining nais ko, binibining na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ikaw ang habang buhay.
Masarap?
Hindi.
Anong kulang?
Ikaw.
Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. See in your face, that'll put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break.
Ahaha.
Wow.
3, 2, 1, go! 普通にダメセクシーにダメ機械みたいにダメ可愛くダメショタボでダメだよイケボでダメロリボも行こうダメだよ
Hello, ma'am! Mag-a-apply po sana ako dito sa kumpanya nyo.
Yeah, I saw your application form. Ang tanong ko lang kung anong maiko-contribute mo sa kumpanya namin.
Ma'am? May ambagan? Wala man ako pira, ma'am. Hindi na lang, ma'am.
Yeah, sige. Go.
Thank you na lang, ma'am.
สวัสดีค่ะโหไปคลาสสิกเกรกลาสบายดีโหไลฟ์คูเพลงคลาสสิกนะฮามบ้าขอบคุณค่ะ
English accent
Mom?
British accent
Mamay?
ano yun? Filipino accent
Ma?
sasapakin na kita
Sabi mo sa akin dati, mamatay ka kapag naghiwalay tayo. Nung undas, lumibot ako sa sementeryo, hinanap ko yung puntod mo. Wala naman. Manloloko.
The 4 types of bitch face: resting, side eye, the eye roll, and the up and down.
Kung giling tayo sa kulit, mamatay ka na lang, mamatay ka na lang.
May crush din naman ako pero di ko tinatawag na crush, no? Diba, baby?
Baby, ang mo para masig lang. Kung bibigay mo sa'yo, sa'yo ba ay safe lang?
Isa pang sabi ng nanay ko, anak, huwag kang magdadala ng babae sa kwarto. So, sa garahe na lang kami. Alright! Rock and roll to the world. Woo!
ความคิดถึงของเธอกับฉันมันเท่ากันหรือเปล่า ถามจริงๆว่าใจเธอเปลี่ยนไปหรือเปล่า ฉันไม่คิดไปเองใช่ไหม
Ikaw, sinungaling. Huwag mo ako gawin sinungaling dahil di ako pinalaki ni Papa ng sinungaling. Ang bili ni Papa, magsasabi ka ng totoo. Ha? Ha? Hotdog?
Pare-parehas kayo.
Songs with all our childhood friends, and it went like this, say, and it went like this, say, and it went like this, say, oops, na na na, mama, singing ba ba ba.
Nakakainis ka! Minessage kita, sabi ko kumain ka na, mag-ingat ka, have a good day, tapos reply mo lang, okay? Bakit ang tipid mo mag-reply? Pinag-iipunan ka ba? Well, now they know. Say you'll remember me, standing in the night, just staring at the sunset.
I'm not the type to call you back to love. But the way you have to tell me is a problem. And I be trying to keep it. Baby, get that babe. Love you got it. Ako ay pinagpalit pero di yan masakit.
Alam mo kung bakit? Mas mahal ako nung pumalit.
I've waited all my life to cross this line.
When I popped off and you go gave me just a little bit of love.
Haharanahan ko lang yung may mga utang sa'kin. Matagal na panahon nakitang balak tanungin. Babayaran mo pa ba pati pa sinisin? Ang message ko ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin? Bukod sa araw-araw kitang dapat singilin.
Nigga think he bulletproof. I guess I'ma have to show him these fucking bullets do. He on life support.
Snow got the beat.
I got hoes calling.
Meow, gagawin ko yung kuha ulo, lubog-lubog oh. Oh. Ah? Oh. Ah? Isa pa, oh. Ah? Ah? Ah?
Buntang ang po.
With it, group, drop.
You don't have a double chin. What you do have is bad posture. So all you need to do is 2 steps. Bring your shoulders up, back, and down. Bring your chin slightly forward and then slightly down, and look at the difference that makes.
Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.